Hello, my name is Ashley Reed, and my memoir is about my journey through life with math. My topic: math. When I was younger, I did not like math. I was okay at it, but I hated doing it. Who does this story involve? This story involves my immediate family, most of my mom, me, and my sister. My theme. There's a nice little math joke on there. You may be asking, what is my story? This story is the theme/concept for my story is how my love for math began and how did math impact my life. My second grade teacher, who we knew really well, had asked the class if we wanted to do extra credit math things. And you know who was the only one who didn't raise their hand? Obviously, it was me. I felt a little bit of embarrassment as I was the only one that did not raise my hand. But it was okay. I was in elementary school, so when your mom goes to pick you up, she had to go to talk to my teacher. And my teacher told my mom what happened, and my mom told my teacher to sign me up for my math test, and that I had to do it. Funny. I remember the car ride home that day. Me and my mom had a long talk about why I should do the math. All the math I can. I'm pretty sure she made me make a pros and cons list, and there were way more pros than cons. I ended up getting the highest score in the whole class. My teacher pulled me aside and asked me why. I said no. I said because I didn't like math, I never will. And then she was like, "But you're so good." And that was the beginning of my love for math. That teacher, my second grade teacher, and my mom pushed me for my love for math. I would go home every day after school and work on math every day. Throughout the rest of my schooling, I always took all the math I could, and I would always do the extra work whenever I could. I also, in 4th grade, became the person who tells the teacher they forgot about their homework. My bad. Whoops. Sorry, I won't ever do that anymore. But I always appreciate doing extra math work. In high school, I took Calculus 1, and it was really fun, and so I'm taking applications of Calculus 1 this year, too. And last week, I was 2 weeks ahead on the homework, which makes life a lot easier, because I don't have to worry about math for about 2 weeks. And I think about all this stems from my mom and second grade teacher making me take an extra credit math test in second grade. I realize now that just because you don't like something in the present doesn't mean you will always not like it, and you will learn and grow as you get older and things will change. The story's significance. Why is the story important to me? It is significant to me because math is a big part of my life. It has influenced my dreams and goals in life and pushed me to be a better person. I have made countless memories and friends through different STEM programs throughout my life, such as robotics club and science club in 5th grade. Why should I tell this story? One of the big reasons I want to tell the story is to inspire others to try new things. I absolutely despised math when I was younger, but because someone significant in my life pushed me to do math, I became proficient and grew to love math. I also think it's important because in society, girls are not supposed to like or be good at math. And this story could show younger girls and other people who identify as female that doing math is cool and being good at math is not bad and can lead to a lot of good things. Thank you for listening to my pitch.